So what I'm going to show you first is a screenshot from the last 30 days of the agency that I sold 6 months ago. So this is not my money anymore, but you can see that in the last 30 days, spend was about 200 grand, and at a 200% ROI for almost about $450,000 in profit. Yeah, not bad, right? And you can see that some of the campaigns have 1,000% ROI, 562%, 431%, 100%, etc. So this is a keep it simple, stupid lander. This one beats the crap out of this one, even though this one looks better. Yeah, this one just murders it. And I've used this for solar, I've used it for every different lawsuit, IRS tax debt, I mean, you name it. This lander has just been one of my favorites, and it just kills it. Here's one of my ads for the water company. I kind of went over this already, but you want to boost ads right off the bat for increased engagement or social proof, and this will decrease your cost per lead or conversion on other campaigns.